flash flood warning for central Nowata County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, central Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following effects are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bartlesville, Nowata, Dewey, Delaware, Bartlesville Municipal Airport, Sunset Lake, Bighorn, Turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
County and into the Tulsa County area as we go through the 6 and 7 o'clock hours. So we'll be talking to Stephen and finding out a little bit more as he finds some data out. So we're just running our storm trackers right now. I want to give you an update on what's going on. So the worst weather at this point been watching is over Woodlawn Lake. So I'm hoping a lot of folks are off the lake. If you have friends that have been on the lake, they probably see what we're seeing. But it's been intense winds. And so that's not good for weekend campers that are out there. Some winds that could be 50 to 70 miles per hour in this zone. And this is over the lake right here, the dam right on the south side. It just really goes on the south to the northwest of the dam. But when we're talking about it again, this is the strongest winds that we're watching. Is winds coming in from the north-northwest and moving to the south-southeast. And so even though the rain is just getting over the lake, the strongest of the winds right now, and a severe thunderstorm warning continue to show up right over the lake. So that's what we are kind of worried about over the weekends. People are camping and outdoors, so be aware there. Also further to the west, we have additional heavy rain and thunderstorms that are going on. That takes us through portions of southern and central Washington County because Oshaleta now getting hit with heavy rains. Then that goes back to the west through central Osage County. Now heavy rains in Pawhuska, and now cells are continuing to rapidly develop across western.
That's the end of the EAS, but if you want to watch the news, you can.
Northern Pawnee County. So just over the last 15 minutes, this is now starting to fill in.
Well, technically, I'm probably going to put this in a compilation.
Over the course of the next 15 minutes or so. And then those will continue to track southeast. So Keystone Lake, you guys, if you have friends at Keystone Lake, tell them, get off the lake. It's time. Because they don't have a ton of time before that line of thunderstorms comes together. You see how it's just all coming together. There are individual cells, not much going on. Now it's filling.
Comment the number 6 if you've made it this far.
And we really don't want to see any of that happen.
And if you have, thank you so much for watching.
Flank, and he's right around the Fairfax-Ralston area. JD, if you can you give me an update on how are things out west?
Temperature of 90.
Yeah, I've got a storm that's coming into Ralston right now, and the winds are just starting to pick up. We're blowing around 30 to 35 miles an hour at times. The lightning really started picking up with this storm. So it may be trying to take a little uptick in intensity here.
Alright, I appreciate it. And so again, watching some pretty intense thunderstorms developing in this area. So Ralston area, heavy rain, thunder, and you see these little black areas. That indicates there's probably some hail, pea-sized hail, maybe dime-sized hail coming in out of some of this already. So we're starting to see that developing near Ralston. That is expected to continue to drift to the southeast, and you can see that JD's kind of in between those.
I'm gonna go ahead and
Alright, further to the east we go, and then that's where we find
stop
heavy thunderstorms
this
around
video
the
because
area.
it's already lasted 4 minutes, and
Not a ton of lightning. I mean, there's a lot
apparently
of
they're
lightning,
gonna be
but
doing
it's not
news on 6 at 6. So.
but you can see
And I don't want this
storms already gone
one
through
video to
Omaha.
be
This
an
is
hour
over
long.
the
So
east, but it's
yeah,
all
comment the number
60%
6
south.
if you
And
made it
again,
this
as you
far.
can see,
Thank
for
you.
regular programming.